for 40 days. तो जब 3 महीने बाद मैंने शूट रिज्यूम करी, so what was obviously it wasn't funny for me, but the before and after was so funny at every time because I used to be lying down on a bed. Action matlab suddenly I would come, I would stand, I would give the shot, and if I'm wearing like the lehenga in the climax, तो close-ups में मैंने वो लहंगा नहीं पहना है because my body could not take the weight of the lehenga, so I was in shorts. So वो BTS में जो हमारे पास वीडियो है, so it's like I have the whole jewelry and dupatta and the blouse और नीचे मैं shorts में हूँ because my spine could not take the weight of the lehenga. So all of that was very funny from the outside. Of course it wasn't for me. Then जो एक गाना है रात भर, उसमें मुझे इतना I think इतने हाइट से 10 फुट की हाइट से जंप करना है in Mizan's arms. And I was like, मतलब अब भी मुश्किल से चलना शुरू किया वापस. If I jump and something happens, so they said action and I started crying. And I was like, yeah, keep rolling, I'll jump, just keep rolling. So I feel like there are so many memories that I will never forget in my life in this film. Now, on the hindsight, of course, it feels like these are funny memories, but at that time it wasn't funny. It was scary.
It was scary, challenging, and you cannot expect. मतलब मैंने जितने भी actors से बात करी है, कॉमेडी करना स्क्रीन पे इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड स्पेसिफिकली जो आपका कैरेक्टर है, साहब ने बताया कि बहुत ऑर्थोबैक रोल है, मतलब उसमें काफी अच्छा वेटेज है, वो नहीं मिलता है. तो थैंक यू फॉर ओपनिंग दैट डोर फॉर ऑल दी एस्पायरिंग एक्ट्रेसेस. लाइक जेन्युइनली दैट इज देयर. ऑल्सो जितने लोगों को यहाँ पे नहीं पता है, यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ योर वेंचर्स in place. New Kind is there, then Arambam is there, and recently Nuvana के बारे में हमने बात करना चाहिए थी आपसे. तो क्या बताना चाहेंगे यार, इतने सारे, मतलब you have always been multi-facets की हर जगह.
I feel everybody should be like, if you really want to, why I've always been of the belief कि why only do just one thing. If you really want to, you can always find the time to do a lot more than just one thing. And I always knew that I'm more than just an actor, and I want to experiment other facets and try different things. But having said that, I'm the kind of person, even in entrepreneurship, अगर मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ तो वो ऐसा होगा कि I have to be passionate about it. I can't do it purely for business standpoint. It has to be a subject that is very close to my heart. Like Arambam is very close to my heart because I am someone who believes in health and wellness. I am someone who believes that millets are amazing, and the going back to the roots and Ayurveda, and especially post the pandemic, everyone is talking about health, and we have to create that immunity within. And how do you do it? And Indian science has everything. Matlab Ayurveda is our oldest science, and it has everything. Have jowar, bajra, ragi, like all the South Indian people here would know how much importance is given to millets. So which is what the thought of Arambam was, that make South Indian food in millets but make it tasty. And that's why it's very close to my heart. Coming to New Kind is again something I'm very passionate about because it is reusable period underwear for women. And I feel like, because I'm addressing the youth of tomorrow, you guys are the future. Look at the pollution, look at the climate change, look at the global warming that's happening. And every time we talk of disposing a diaper or a sanitary napkin, it takes 500 years to decompose. That plastic takes 500 years to decompose, which means the first ever made on this planet is still lying somewhere, and it's adding to the waste. So we want to be aspirational, we want to do a lot of things, but what if 100 years later we don't have a planet to live in? The water level is bad, the land is bad, the landfills are growing. So that was my thought of creating something which is good for women and good for planet. So that's New Kind. And Nuvana is again very, very close to my heart because it's a integrative wellness clinic. Because I feel integrative medicine is really growing now, and I'm not the kind of person जो बीमार होते ही पहले दवाई ले लो. I think you have to up your immunity, you have to, and what is integrative? Integrative is a mix of lifestyle, which also means yoga, lifestyle, food, dietary, and aided support through different therapies. So yeah, That's what Nuvana is.
Thank you for sharing that. A big hand for that, everyone. I mean, of course, आपके usually when we see actors, उनकी acting से हम इतने प्रभावित हो जाते हैं कि ये जो mission होते हैं वो हम नहीं देख पाते हैं और बहुत rarely आप इस बारे में बात कर पाते हैं. तो thanks for sharing that. All right, we'll move to an audience Q&A. क्या करते हैं? Can we arrange the mics and meanwhile audience Q&A?
Yeah, this guy is waving here.
Yeah.
Third row.
Let's have some audience Q&A and then we'll play a very interesting game with Rakul.
Can we send a mic there, please? Yeah.
Okay, जब तक mic जा रहा है अपने questions आप लोग याद कर लीजिए. We'll play another very interesting game. It's called red flag and green flag.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Wow,
Quickly,
so
quickly.
new.
हाँ?
So new.
I don't know, like,
I'm
like
kidding,
I hope कि कुछ नया हो इसमें. ठीक है? Okay, and people you can screen your version too. So the first one is you have to say red flag, green flag. Someone who has too many female friends and call all of them bro.
Green flag, it's good to have. I mean, a guy who has female friends. Yeah, green flag.
Green flag. Someone who goes on boys trip without informing you but posts stories from the airport.
Red flag. You can go on a trip, but please inform. Yeah.
Of course. Someone who gets jealous only when someone else compliments you.
Red flag.
Red flag.
Compliments पे अगर jealous होने लग गए तो फिर जिंदगी.
सही बात है. Someone who gives late replies but when he talks he's genuinely sweet.
No. If there's a reason for late replies, it's okay, one off. I'm not saying it should be prompt, but it should be, मतलब your late can't be 24 hours late, na? What will I do of the sweetness if the plan is not made?
Major red flag.
Major.
Okay, someone who talks more than you.
Someone who talks more than me. I love talking, so red for me, personally.
What do you think? Are you a red flag or green flag?
Oh, I'm wearing red, but I'm a full green forest.
Definitely. I mean, we keep on following Jackie's version
I
as
think you should
well.
ask Jackie that question.
Okay.
I think he'll say I'm a full green forest.
Definitely. Thanks for sharing that, Praful. Do we have a mic now, guys? Can we rotate the mic? Yeah, please do that. Please introduce yourself and ask your question.
Hello ma'am,
Hi.
my name is Satyam, I am from Indore. First of all, thank you for this opportunity and for me seeing you is so much wonderful. Recently I had my exams and it was like feeling very much low. So I just went and watched your movie this De De Pyar De and it was very amazing, thank you.
Thank you.
So my question is, how do you maintain this never give up attitude? I have seen your last videos also, like last movies also. Every time your acting and the entertainment keeps on increasing. So how you maintain this never give up attitude?
Thanks, Satyam, right? Thanks, Satyam. Satyam, I feel like I'm the kind of believer who feels that life is all about challenges, right? It's like riding a wave. So sometimes it takes you on a high, sometimes it takes you on a low, and that's part and parcel of life. If you really want to do something and if you really want to achieve something in life and if you're passionate about it, then don't give up because you enjoy the process of it. So the waves will be like this, but I enjoy surfing. So I enjoy surfing, so I enjoy acting and I love my work, so I will never give up, you know. So I will keep doing what I want to do with the same amount of passion because I love it. And I think that's the key. So no matter what you choose to do in life, choose your passion, follow your passion, and once you enjoy your work, you'll never want to give up. Like I'm the kind of person who wants to work all day, every day, 360 days because I love it. And also, this might sound a little harsh, but the world is not here to really, you know, feel bad for you or listen to you when you're feeling down and out and be like, oh, you know, bahut bura hua tumhare saath. Nobody cares. So if you really want to excel in life, put your blinders on and just keep working hard.
Wonderful. Yep. Can you pass on the mic there?
Who else?
क्या बात है?
somebody was
Yeah, we
raising
have
there in the
people
center.
here.
Here also there's that girl.
Yeah.
Here also.
Okay, I'll just pass on.
इधर भी I think that guy also raised his hand.
Just pass
पहले
on
इनको
the
दो
mic.
ना पहले right side. हाँ ये. Yeah.
Sure.
Hi Rakul,
Hi.
I'm Tanmay, I'm from Pune.
Hi, Tanmay.
I just want to ask one thing. You've worked in so many different industries, be it Hindi, Telugu and many other languages as well.
Tamil.
Tamil, right. Only 3 languages, right?
Yeah.
What do you think is the biggest difference, like on set, whether it be the set environment, whether it be everything leading up to a movie? What is the
तन्मय
biggest
तुमको
difference?
जर्नलिस्ट बनना है क्या? क्या जर्नलिस्ट वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा है इसने? I'm kidding. Though I feel there is no difference. I feel the process of filmmaking is the same, right? It is the process is same. The passion is same. The only difference is of the language, and today I think the day and age we're in, even language isn't a barrier. Cinema is being consumed all across. The southern films are consumed in Hindi cinema is being consumed there. So I think even those borders and language barriers we've crossed. If I have to pick up still one difference, I would say that the working time in Telugu is a better time that I've liked. Like it's a 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. call sheet as opposed to a 9 to 9 in Hindi. And that's the only difference that I feel there is.
Thank you, Rakul, for sharing that. We'll take a few more questions. Yeah.
This girl, this boy, here guys, and that corner. हर room में दे दो एक.
क्या हो गया गाइस, थक गए हो क्या? हाँ चलो. ओके, सो बिफोर मतलब हम Q&A कंटिन्यू करेंगे, बट मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी. जैसे उन्होंने जर्नलिस्ट वाला सवाल पूछा तो मैं इतना कुछ वो नहीं करना चाहूंगी, बट या आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क लाइक Rakul, honestly, with sheer honesty, you are touchwood living a life where of course you are an accomplished actor, and of course there is always a want to do more in life, and आप एक entrepreneur भी है, different businesses आप launch कर रही हैं, and also touchwood you found the love of your life, married the love of your life. थोड़ा cheer for that यार, come on यार.
लोग ऐसे बैठे हैं जैसे
Pictures.
मतलब मैथ्स के लेक्चर में बैठे हो,
यार क्या हो गया है भाई?
Come on guys, a little more cheer for her.
Yeah. Married the love of your life, which is like one of the most toughest things to find. What keeps you driving? Like, what is the driving force now? Because अगर मैं शायद आपकी जगह होती तो मैं थोड़ा अभी लेट बैक हो जाती कि हाँ यार, not because शादी हो गई है, no, बस बिकॉज कि यार फिल्म्स कर रही हूँ इतनी अच्छी, टचवुड गुड मनी, बिजनेस है, शादी
Because
भी
in
हो
life
गई.
you can never be laid back. There are too many people vying for the place that you want, and the choice of industry, not just my industry, I think anybody who wants to excel in life and who's very greedy and very hungry will know that there are too many people competing for that place that you want, right? So the day you're laid back, someone else will come and take that place. So if you want to be complacent, great, but I'm not a complacent person. I'm very driven. I know what it's taken me, 12 years of hard work to get to where I am, and I still feel I haven't done what I want to do. I still want to do a lot more. So I don't have the time to be laid back.
आप क्या चाहते हो कि लोग आपको कैसे याद करें? What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind?
मत याद करो.
नहीं यार?
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. जितने टाइम में हूँ उतने टाइम देखो, प्यार करो, उसके बाद दूसरे लोगों को देखो, दूसरे लोगों को प्यार करो.
That was so savage. Thanks, Rakul. Do we have the mic in place or should we cancel the Q&A?
Yes, mic is here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am. I am your Telugu fan, and I remember you since.
तेलुगु फैन नाम तो बताओ अपना.
My name is Rajshekhar.
రాజశేఖర్.
నేను మీకు చాలా పెద్ద అభిమానిని.
సో స్వీట్ రాజశేఖర్. ఎక్కడి నుంచి మీరు?
నేను విశాఖపట్నం నుంచి.
విశాఖపట్నం, ఓకే.
అండ్ మీ వెంకటాద్రి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ మూవీ నుంచి నేను మీకు చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ ని.
అవునా?
అండ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ జస్ట్ ఐ చిల్ అవుట్ ప్రార్థన ప్రతి రూపాయి కౌంట్ ఇక్కడ.
ఎస్, ప్రార్థన ప్రతి రియల్ లైఫ్ లో కూడా అంతే.
ఎస్ ఎస్ మీ టు ఫాలోయింగ్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్.
నేను కూడా అదే ఫాలో అవుతాను.
And before asking a question, I just want to share a small memory with you. Just now, the madam said how to remember you. Now I want आपको पहले प्रमोशन जब वेंकटाद्री एक्सप्रेस मूवी का प्रमोशन में मैं आपका जस्ट एक टीवी शो देखा था.
Okay.
उसमें आप कुकिंग शो का है एंड जो एंकर है वो पूरा ऑयली फूड एक बनाई एंड आपको टेस्ट करने बोली. आप अभी मैं खाना है क्या ये ऐसा एक चेहरा रख के एक पीस टेस्ट किया. एंड recent times when I saw your fitness videos, I remember that thing very much and
So
I like
sweet.
your discipline.
So sweet, thank you so much, thank you.
And my next question is when is your next Telugu film? We are eagerly waiting.
I am also eagerly waiting. I really miss Telugu and I really want to do something in Telugu, but మంచి స్క్రిప్ట్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మంచి స్క్రిప్ట్ వచ్చిన వెంటనే తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ చేస్తాను. ప్లీజ్ manifest a good script for me in Telugu.
Definitely. We'll take one last question. Yeah, one last question.
अरे बेटा,
थोड़ा सा तेज भाग लो यार, मूड आए वालों, क्या हो गया है? लंच नहीं करा क्या आप लोगों ने? हाँ.
First of all, you're really beautiful.
Thank you.
Amazing. And hi, this is Tanishka.
Hi, Tanishka.
And, I really wanted to ask you, what's your skincare routine? Like,
Wow. What a waste of the opportunity, man.
Sis, what?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll come to that.
Skincare?
And I think we'll take 2 more questions because I'm feeling very bad that
Yeah,
gang
take
has
it,
been
take it.
weaving on that side. So we'll take
Ha,
2 more
ha,
questions.
2 more questions we'll do.
And coming to skincare routine, let me just tell you all very, very clearly and like I've said this many a times, okay? Your lifestyle is going to show on your face. The food habits that you have, like right now, sorry, but backstage somebody was offering me burger. Ma'am, will have a burger. I said never. You know, so the choices of food that you have, the sleep pattern that you have, the amount of radiation you put next to you, phone, right? These are all external factors which reflect on your skin. Food, water, lifestyle, and the most important is feeling happy. Not taking stress. Give stress, don't take stress. Okay, be a stress in someone else's life, but don't create that in your life, and that's going to reflect. And of course, then there are all these home remedies and things available to do, like your detans and tomato and besan haldi and yogurt, and I put anything on my face. Of course, I have a great dermatologist also, but none of the dermatologists or these lasers and that people claim are going to make your skin glow as much as your lifestyle and how you feel. If you are happy, it's going to reflect on your skin. If you are not happy, it's going to reflect on your skin.
Wonderful answer. We'll take last 2 questions because वहाँ से घड़ी दिखा रहे हैं IIT बॉम्बे वाले. हाँ, एक कॉर्नर वाले यार वहाँ पे माइक पहुँचाओ जल्दी से, फटाफट we'll do.
Ma'am, I was just waving for very fast second.
Yes, hi.
Nitin Sharma this side, founder Virasat Bandhu. So I just want to ask one question. Like you have running hundreds of entrepreneurial startups. So I just want to know your major interests of investment. Like what are the major interests when you see out any kind of startup for an investing purpose or any kind of purpose?
So I'll tell you, for me, the biggest thing before I invest or lend my name to a startup is that I have to be passionate about it. Do I understand that world? Do I get interested in that world? Because say for example somebody says, Rakul, here's the money, please open a jewelry brand of yours. I won't do it no matter how much money I've given, because I don't understand jewelry. I can endorse it, but I don't think I can create it. So there's a difference. So to understand what is it that I'm passionate about, what is it that I like doing in my free time from once I'm away from my day job, and then if it is an area of interest for me, then I have to see how driven the founder is. And is the founder also equally passionate, and what is the reason for the founder to start a startup? Because today what has happened is it's become it's become a very common thing that everybody thinks, oh, startups are working, let's create a startup. But it doesn't work like that. So how passionate and driven the founder is that his only job? And then I think the energy needs to match. And yeah, that's how.
Founder is in front of you, founder Virasat Bandhu, and we are a cultural tech platform.
Okay.
We truly symbolize. We would like to have some conversation.
Okay, lovely, great. I will chat with you.
Thank you so much. One last question.
This side, yaar. Ye.
इस side आ
Give
रहा
your-
है. फटाफट
and then we'll
फटाफट
wrap.
guys now. We'll take one question from here. Quickly. Yeah, please.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi ma'am. Pranav here from Grand Medical College.
Hi.
Actually I have no question. Can I sing 2 lines for you?
Oh wow.
Wow.
Yeah, please.
Sure.
Irish.
Please.
इस दर्द है दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई यहाँ कि मिल जाए इससे वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह इस दर्द है दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई यहाँ कि मिल जाए इससे वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह
All right. Thank you so much. It was so beautiful, Rahul. Thank you so much for coming to IIT Bombay. One request from all of you. Did you enjoy the session? Did you love it? So please turn on your flashlights just for Rahul. Let's turn on your flashlights. Can we please shut the lights? The major lights? Yeah. Dim the lights.
Love you too.
Dim the lights. Yeah. Please, everyone, turn on your flashlights. Thank you so much, Rahul, for being here. And it was lovely meeting you. Okay, can we have team IIT Bombay Mudai to kindly felicitate Rahul Preet Singh, and we'll take a selfie.
I will also like to take with the light.
Sure. Everyone, come on. Make some cheer, make some noise.
Make some
Huh?
noise.
All right. We have Rahul Preet Singh at Mood Indigo IIT Bombay. Come on, make some noise. I think 3, 2, 1. Let's do Rahul.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much. It was amazing being here, and good luck to all of you. Study well, excel. Lots of love. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.